Most salespeople miss a big opportunity, and that is for referrals. I believe referrals start with mindset. Think about in your own personal life, the person or the organization that you can't wait to refer into your network, whether it be a dentist, a doctor, a mechanic. Why are you so excited to refer them? They've earned your trust. They've built a great relationship. So when looking to ask for referrals, let's start with the warmest relationships. Whose trust have you earned? What organization have you helped and built a great relationship? I believe the first step for referrals are asking how we're doing, whether that's at a quarterly meeting, an annual review. Ask how we are doing and follow that up with what's one thing we can improve upon. If something major comes up, great. Let's be in the moment, let's fix it and get clear next steps of an action plan. That's not an opportunity to ask for referral. More oftentimes than not, though, it's something small. It's a tweak where we can ask, who's the one person that we could help like you? Mind you, we're not asking, is anyone? Does anyone come to mind? One thing versus anyone will get you better results. Next step in the process is give them time to think. When we ask for that one person, it's going to strike them differently. So we have to give them time and be prepared for them to ask, well, what does that look like? To clarify, to qualify, to define who that looks like. If they do give you someone, ask them, why does that person come to mind? It's never too early to start qualifying and living in discovery. Finally, the most important aspect is not letting the opportunity die on the vine. I find so often when somebody does have a referral, we don't know what happens next. We don't have a clear path for introduction. The way we like to keep that momentum is ask, what's the best way that we get connected? We love calls where the three of us can get together and one person drops off. If not, an email connecting all three of us. Don't be afraid to try and get clear next steps and to not force, but keep momentum with the best way you know how. So keep that trust mindset, ask for referrals, and the more we ask, the more we can get.